Okay, I just confirmed I'm able to go through all 5 speeds with the transmission still halfway in. So how it works is here is, obviously this is the top cylinder here, forward is this way, right, the exhaust, and here's the back of the bike, and here's the top of the bike, here's the bottom of the sprocket, right? When it spins this way, okay, when I'm spinning it this way, which is, whoops, that's the right way. As you can see, the sprocket is now going forward and the chain is coming towards the motor on the top, and the bottom it's going towards the wheel. That's correct motion. For that to happen, this spline right here is turning counterclockwise. So this has to go counterclockwise to emulate the correct forward direction. So now we are in, can't really see, okay, this is, I think we're in neutral right now because this, no, neutral, yeah, that, right in there. When it lifts up here, I have to turn it though. It's hard to do. I have to do them both at this. Oh, I need a phone stand for this. What higher it goes. Now I'm in first gear. Whoops. That's the correct way. Turning counterclockwise, which takes that, the top of the sprocket, okay, is going towards the front. And the chain is coming towards the motor on the top. And the bottom towards the wheel. So by turning this counterclockwise, it's working. Okay, so now I'm in first gear. This is first. I'm going to spin this. That right there, that little lump in there, I don't know if you could see that. That's neutral. That's neutral. I can put my finger on that and it won't spin. Well, it's not neutral. Yeah, it is neutral, okay? I'm spinning that, that's neutral. My finger's not moving. That's neutral. There you go, okay? So we can confirm that this is neutral. Okay, well, you slipped out. You bad boy there. All right. Now, we're in second. Come on. Third. And now you can see the cogs are I don't know what you call that, but where the sprocket goes on, that's really boogieing now as I'm going up in the gears. Okay, one more. Fuck. I gotta move it. And yeah, that's it. That's it. We ran out of space over here, so we're in fifth. That's it. So we can go through all the gears. Too far. There we go. It's good. Everything works. Just remember that this has to go counterclockwise, and that will emulate the sprocket on the front, moving the chain towards the engine on the top and moving the rear wheel. So there you have it. The main thing is these cogs here, dogs, whatever the hell you call it. It's not like I'm working on trannies every day, but I'm a pretty smart guy to be able to put this back together for the first time. Alright, so that's it. Everything is in good shape, and we're going to get this baby running, and we got that new seal in there.